Hello YouTube, it's antuonki, long time no see, and today I have something very awesome for you guys, and it is the two Japanese new booster box. So yeah, one is the Mewtwo one, the Psychic Drive, is it? I don't know. And the other one is the Ocean thing. So without further ado, we will open the Mewtwo one first, because I like Mewtwo more than this new Pokemon. So put this aside here, and let's get this started. Sorry. So, give you to see the artwork first. That is very awesome. Also first edition. So here we have a brand new 20 packs. So let's get it started again. Hoping for secret rare, like the usual. So here we have a cricket top. Is it masculine? I don't know. A energy and a Zap Striker. Very nice in the first pack. And there are really many secret rare and ultra rare to complete in this set, so it's impossible for me to complete them. So we have a Nuzleaf, Staryu, Hollow, some very nice artwork pick in my opinion. So first Hollow, sleeve it first. Okay. So we have a worm thing, I forgot the name. Grimer, awesome. Something with strong energy. And our rare is a secret rare Kyogre EX. That's freaking nice pull. Awesome card. Secret rare. Very nice. Finally, secret rare EX appeared. And we have some very nice teddy bear. Although it doesn't look like a teddy bear. So maybe we can open this one and see if there's something good. Maybe I should open them one by one, which means I open one pack of the Mewtwo and one pack of this one. Give you to see the artwork. Pikachu, Lapras, awesome. First pack ever of this, I don't know. I don't even know the name of the booster box. Wow, I have to do some research first. Very nice card here. With this Mewtwo. So, wow, we have Pikachu here. Sneasel. I don't know this name. I don't know this one as well. Is it a bear tick? Yeah, it is a bear tick. And our deerling. I just name it. It's wrong. I know it's not deerling, but I just name it. Second pack. So with an ice cream thing. Oh, nice, a Growlithe. Something, and a Groudon EX. This is not a secret rare. This is only a rare, as you can see here. So that means if you buy a booster box of this, you will have a high chance of pulling one of these rares. It's the same rarity as the holo, so very nice. I got this one. Awesome. So now Groudon Kyogre, which is really epic. Really glad that I got this box. So we have a little greeny thing, Wigglytuff, Riolu, and this new Pokemon that I don't know. Really nice. Gotta sleeve this guy. And a really nice artwork, Hippowdon. I love this artwork. This is so cool. So final pack of this part. Oh, I break the pack. Whoa, so here we have a Curlier. I don't know this name. Really odd bird. Raichu, and a rare is trainer. It's just uncommon. So yeah, hope you enjoy watching the first part of me opening the latest generation of Japanese booster box, the Psycho Drive, or the I forgot the name. I just pulled a secret rare of Kyogre and a Groudon EX. So stay tuned for the next part. There may be awesome EX waiting for you to discover, and I will see you guys in part 2.